The Amazon Influence Program is an absolute goldmine of an opportunity, and in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 tips to 10x your commissions. Now, that's a bold claim, but I'm going to back it up with real results from real people. So buckle up and let's get into it. All right, so let's cut the fluff and BS and dive into those 10 tips to 10x your commissions. And I just want to be honest with you, I actually lied in that intro because this case study showed that we 21x'd our commissions with no extra work. We went from making $40 to $800 in a span of 30 days, and now fast forward just a couple months later, that is up to over $1,800. We've got Reezy, is a good friend of mine. We helped get started with these 10 tips, and he went from $200 to $700 to $3,000 to $5,000 in a span of 3 months, and he 25x'd his commissions. So what I'm about to teach you in this video, nobody is talking about, and this is the literal blueprint to the goldmine opportunity of Amazon influencers. So I hope you guys are excited. My name is Trevin Peterson. I've been doing the influencer program for the last 2.5 years, almost 3 years, and my brother and I, we've tried everything. We've done 6 figures in commissions. We've gotten 6 figures of free products sent to us. We even did a free garage sale where we gave away $20,000 of product. So what I'm about to teach you actually works, and we're going to continue to back it up with more case studies and testimonials just like Reezy. So with that being said, let's jump into the first tip, and that is creator connections. This is the gold mine of all gold mines. This is where you can go from making 2 to 4% all the way up to 10, 20, 30, 50% commissions, plus get a bunch of free products. And so I want to show you how to actually leverage this. So you're going to come over here and download what's called the Viral View Chrome extension. This tool is going to go hand in hand with every single tip, and I have an exclusive 10% discount for you lifetime. Use code AMZ Champion and make sure to get signed up, because what we're going to show you is literally going to 10x and maybe even 20x your commissions, just like Reezy. So from here, you have the extension. You're going to go to Creator Connections. You're going to see that there's tons of campaigns that are giving you increased earnings. And the first tip has to do with accepting these campaigns to get those increased earnings. Now, this is exactly what I did on my account right here, from where I went from making $40 to almost $900 in 30 days by clicking these few buttons. So again, pay attention. You're going to go to Creative Connections. You're going to hit Accept Related Campaigns. You're going to see these different settings. You're going to hit Accept the tagged ASINs. You can hit Accept the auto-linked ASINs, and I'm going to hit Start. From here, what this is going to do is it's going to pull all of the ASINs from my videos and cross-check the campaign database and accept them on my behalf. And then once it's done accepting, it's going to submit all content. So what used to take, we're talking hours, and we had people that were using a virtual assistant paying them 40 hours a week to do this one task. They now use Viral View and they can do it in a matter of minutes, completely automated. So that's kind of the first step. That's going to get you, again, those increased earnings on your existing videos. Now, the second part to this is what's called the report settings. This is where the magic is just more magical. And what this is going to do is it's going to help you capitalize on what's called halo sales. So if you promote a product, you make a video, let's say about some pots and pans, and somebody watches that video, but then they end up going in and buying a spatula or maybe a blender or something else, you can still get the commission on that particular product. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that that product doesn't have a Creator Connections campaign, because if it does, we want to accept it before Amazon processes the payment, and we're going to get an increased earning. So instead of making maybe 50 cents, you're going to make $5. And those little tiny commissions add up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Amazon report summary. So click right here, and you're going to come over here and click this collect past 48 hour button. What this is going to do is it's going to find the ASINs. It found 117 in a matter of seconds that I've generated commissions on in the last 48 hours. And from there, I'm going to go back to Creator Connections. So I'm going to click this button. I'm going to toggle back to my offsite store ID, and it's going to take us back to this page where we click Accept Related Campaigns. We're going to click the last 48 hours. We're going to hit Start. And just like that, it's going to take those 119 ASINs and it's going to cross-check the campaign database and make sure that there's not any additional campaigns that I need to accept to get those increased earnings. This alone, after running it for the last couple weeks, I've increased my commissions by close to $300 just by clicking this single button. And then not to mention the previous, I went from 40 to 800, and now I've almost doubled from that from there. Then I've added another $200 plus just with this simple strategy. So creator connections is an absolute gold mine, and we're going to let this scan and see if it finds any campaigns. All right, so that just ran it and it took 1 minute. We accepted 3 new campaigns. And if you click right here, you can actually see the ASINs that got accepted. You can check that. And just like that, we're going to close, and voila, your earnings are going to start increasing. So again, that one little thing that I just did in finding and accepting campaigns using the Halo cells and using the ASINs that you've already made videos for. And this simple creator connections campaign is going to skyrocket your earnings almost overnight. Again, this case study, I went from $40 to $900, and now that $900 is almost double 3 months later. So this works. You just need to go click the few buttons. So again, I'll put the link for Viral View down below. That is the first tip, leveraging creator connections. Now, jumping into the second tip, we're going to be leveraging the Viral View profits dashboard to make sure what we're doing is working. And we're going to find what's called revival opportunities. So right here, you're going to see this amazing dashboard that's going to give you insights of what's going on in your account. Now, this is a beta demo version, but when you guys see this, you're going to see the complete version, but you're going to be able to see the overview. So your last 6 months, 12 months, your entire commission since inception back to 2023. You can see associates earnings. You can see your device performance, your top earning categories. You can see individual earnings for influencer, associates, creator connections, individual product earnings and dates, and your return on investment. So you can see that this product has generated a 733% ROI, which is absolutely insane. Come over here to associates. You can see creator connections, campaigns, and what's actually working and what's not. And then my personal favorite, the revival opportunities, basically finding products that sold well in the past, but they aren't anymore for whatever reason. So you can go in and re-tag those products with what's called our ASIN tagger with the parent ASIN and revive that listing, which we will get to in one of our tips. But the profits dashboard is going to give you insights and a clear path of, are you doing things that actually work? And if not, you have to reevaluate and readjust and change your strategy. So the profits dashboard is a really cool feature. That's the second tip. We're going to jump right into the third tip, which is using correct data to find the best products. Now, what happens to a lot of influencers is they come across a product like this Zule kitchen frother. You probably have seen it. You might even have one. And they see that it sold 30,000 in the last month and it's done almost $500,000. And then they come over here to the carousels and you'll see the videos for this product. There's 5, that's from the brand. And then related videos, there's only 5. And so the typical influencer is going to be like, oh, well, there's 6 spots in top carousel. Like if I make a video, I'm going to be on top carousel. It's wide open. Like there's so much potential. But little do they know, there's a backlog of Amazon videos that Amazon is not showing you. And that is where Viral View comes in with what's called the total influencer video count. Right here, this particular listing almost has 2,000 Amazon influencer videos. And so if you were to make a video about this product, the chances of you getting into top carousel is slim to none. I'm going to prove my point because I have 2 videos for this product that I made years ago without Viral View, and I'm in neither top or bottom carousel. So understanding how to find the best products and looking at the data is very important. This allows you to not waste your time reviewing garbage products that are not going to perform and do anything. So the key is finding products that have good revenue, but low total influencer videos. So that is the third tip, is understanding that data point. And we're going to carry that into the next tip, and that is product research and getting free products inside of Creator Connections using the brand deal automation messenger. So go to Creator Connections, you're going to click what's called product view. You're going to click that, and basically it's going to pull the products from Creator Connections and it's going to sort them from best to worst. And so you're going to see that there are products that are doing significant revenue. We've got 40,000, 145,000, 35,000, and the total influencer video count is 032. So when you make a video, you know that you're going to get into top carousel, because if you're in top carousel, that is where the revenue and the money is earned. If you can't make it to top carousel, it's going to be very difficult for you to increase your earnings. Again, giving you those 10 tips to increase those earnings. So we're showing you how to find the best products using product view, but then from there, the golden question is, well, how do I get the product for free, or how do I review it? Glad you guys asked, because you come over here and you use the Viral View automation brand message tool. You click these little check boxes and you say, okay, if I want this product, do I want this product, or do I want this product? And I'm just going to come over here, click those check boxes. I'm going to hit send message, and I have a custom template that I created, and it's going to automatically send a brand reach out to this brand saying, hey, my name is Trevin. I am interested in this product. Can you send it to me for free in exchange for a shoppable video? And just like that, I sent the message and I'll wait to hear back from the brand. And then if they want to do a deal, they'll say, hey, what's your address? I send them my address. And then before I know it, I'm getting products showing up on my porch left and right. And just to prove to you that this works, this is my garage. These are all products that I got sent to me completely free. Right here is another person. This is actually my brother-in-law. He got a sauna, a cold plunge, a chiller, almost $10,000 worth of products sent to him completely free, again, following that strategy. We have other people that got another sauna, a massage chair, an entire gym, all by following that simple strategy, by reaching out, using this automation tool, and requesting for these products. Again, these brands want you to promote their videos or their products in exchange for video. And so they'll send it to you for free. You just need to understand how to find the best products and then how to reach out to them. And this does it all automated, done for you. Now, jumping into the next tip, this is going to help you manage all these brand deals. We have people that are getting 10, 20, even 30 packages showing up on their porch every single day. And if you don't have a good way to organize it, it's going to be an absolute disaster. And before, we used basically spreadsheets to track everything. Now we have everything inside of our brand deal tracker, inside of ViralView, that literally sorts everything and organizes everything in one place. So I just refreshed the screen to show you that the products that I just reached out to using the automated messenger were actually auto imported into this brand deal sheet. And from there, I can actually track and know what products I'm getting, what products I'm not, and I can basically track that whole process. I can update the status, I can change the product received, I can complete the deal, I can delete the deal, I can click on it to get the proper ASIN to tag. All of that is in one place. And again, it's automated. So if we come back over here to Creator Connections, we click on the messages, you're going to see, I click on this message, this is the product, it's added, and then I can come right here and I can hit manage deal. It will take me directly to this spot on the web app. So it makes it super seamless to track and manage all of your brand deals. And again, this actually works. Now jumping into the sixth tip, this is one of my favorites. This is the order history scanner. This is basically helping you find products at your house that you should actually review and avoid the ones that are going to get you zero ROI. And that is by coming over here to your Prime account, going to your orders. And if you're like me, you probably shop on Amazon all the time. I refreshed, I've got 1,700 orders. I can click ViralView, and just like that, it's going to sort the best products to the worst. So these are products that I have at my house that are doing really good revenue and really low competition. If we come over here and filter out from the total influencer video count from highest to lowest, you're going to see that I have tons of products that have 1,000, 700, 500 reviews. It's like, I don't want to waste my time reviewing those products because, as you can see, I reviewed these two products and I'm shockingly on neither top or bottom carousel. So you got to use your time efficiently and effectively and not review garbage products. The days are over of just going in and reviewing everything and anything. That strategy used to work 2 years ago. That does not work anymore. So using the order history scanner is going to allow you to find the best products, spend your time the most efficiently way possible, and get the best ROI. So that is the sixth tip. Now the seventh tip is tagging what's called the parent ASIN. This is going to get you ultimate coverage and get your video shown in more places. You're going to go to your creator studio. You're going to upload a video. So I'm going to show you guys this exact process. So I just filmed a video. I'm going to upload it and you're going to see that ViralView has some shortcuts. You're going to see this ASIN tagger. You're going to see these upload to UK, Canada, YouTube. You can create title templates to make this process super seamless. And so what I'm going to do is I upload the video. I'm going to go to the product listing and I'm going to come right here and I'm going to copy this. This is the title that I'm going to use in the video title. So we've got a nimble, we'll just do portable charger, 10,000 milliamp, power bank, honest review. And just like that, we have the title, and then I'm going to come over here and get what's called the parent ASIN. So I'm on the listing. You're going to see right here that ViralView has this. You're going to click this button. That's going to copy the parent ASIN and the child ASIN. Now I'm actually on the wrong listing. I need to click on the black variation because that's the one that I reviewed. So I'm going to click on the black one and I'm going to copy this. So it's going to copy again this one and this one. I'm going to come back over here to the ASIN tagger. I'm going to paste this in and I'm going to hit tag. And just like that, it's going to tag both the child variation, which is the black one, and then also the parent, which is going to encompass all of the colors. So as you can see, this is the black one, and then the parent is going to encompass all of the colors. Again, giving you ultimate coverage. From there, I'm going to hit submit, and I am going to, again, get more coverage on that video than if I wasn't tagging the parent ASIN. Now, the 8th tip goes hand in hand with ASIN Tagger, and that is going in and finding products that have broken links and updating them with the parent ASIN. And you can do that with what's called the Viral View Storefront Optimizer. You're going to go to your Creator Studios, you're going to refresh, you're going to click Optimizer, and from here, you're going to be able to see which products have issues. So I'm going to come right here, and I have 48 videos on my storefront that are basically just doing absolutely nothing. Come right here and I'll find a product, for example. We've got this Under Armour golf shoe review that I did, but there's no product tagged. And so what I want to do is I want to click this edit button and I want to find the exact product. As you can see, it's currently unavailable. And I want to find the updated listing of these Under Armour shoes and re-tag it. And not just re-tag it with the ASIN, but with the parent ASIN as well. So what happens is a lot of listings will go out of stock. They'll open up a new listing and basically create a new ASIN. And so this happens all the time on Amazon. And that's where this optimizer is going to help you find those leaks in the bucket. Now, we're not going to stop there with the optimizer. You can also come over here to the cross post available, and you can literally download the videos that you've made on your US storefront. You can download them and then you can click these little flag icons and you can cross promote them to Canada and UK in a few clicks of a few buttons. And so now you can go and start earning commissions, not just in the US marketplace, but also in Canada and the UK. So the Storefront Optimizer is going to make things a lot easier and make sure that you don't, again, have any of those leaks in the bucket so you can increase your earnings. Jumping into the 9th tip, this is a little more technical. This is a little bit more advanced. So I hope you guys appreciate this. We're going to be using the Viral View web app. It's called the ASIN Findr. And as you get more advanced and as you get more videos, you're going to have agencies and brands reaching out to you with product lists just like this, saying, hey, pick 10 products or pick 5 products from this list. But instead of going in and picking your favorite product or a product that you think is good, you can come right here. I'm going to copy all of these URLs. I'm going to come back to ASIN Findr. I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to hit return. It's going to pull all of those ASINs individually, and I'm going to hit submit. And just like that, it's going to pull up a list of this, 200 plus, almost 300 products, and show me ones that have high revenue and low total influencer video count. So right here, this is doing $80,000 per month, and there's one influencer video. This one right here is doing 50,000, and there's one influencer video. So I'm going to respond to this agency and say, I want this product, this product, this product. Please send me it. Because now when they send it to me, I'm going to be reviewing the best product that is going to be the most likely to convert. So ASIN Findr is an absolute game changer. That's the 9th tip. And the last one that I got for you guys is when it comes to shopping on Amazon. If you're going to already be buying a product, well, you might as well buy the best one possible. So my boy just had a birthday, and if I was going to buy him a Power Wheels, well, I might as well buy him one that I can maybe make my money back, or maybe I can get one for free. And I'll show you guys both ways. So I'll search for the keyword Power Wheels. I'll open up the Viral View extension, and just like that, it's going to sort from best to worst. So these products that are doing $35, $65, $1,000 per month. And again, the competition is basically nothing. Where if I came over here and I came to this first one that I'm like, oh, I want to get this one because this one looks cool, but I'm competing against 34 influencers, or this one where it's like, oh, this one is the best seller. Like I'm gonna buy this one. Well, it has 125 influencer videos and it's just not gonna perform that great. So it's like, buy the one that has the most potential. Now, if you want to get them for free, what you can do is you open up the extension, you come over here and you click this Creator Connections button, and it's gonna show you which products have Creator Connections campaigns. And why this is important is because if they have a campaign, you can reach out to them directly and send them a message and be like, hey, I'm interested in this product. Can I do a video in return for you sending me the product? And so what you do is you copy this ASIN, you click right here where it says 12%. It's going to take you to the campaign detail page. So we'll come over here, click message brand. From here, I have a shortcut template where I literally click this and it's going to populate my message, my reach out. And then I just come over here where the ASINs is and I replace it with what I just copied. You can create whatever custom template you want and create as many as you want. And just like that, I can reach out to this brand and boom, request this Power Wheels. And if I did this for all of these products, the chances of me getting one for free is probably pretty likely. So when you're shopping on Amazon, you can get creative, buy the products that have the most potential, or reach out and get products that if you want, we'll get them for free. And if you follow those 10 tips, you are very likely to double, triple, 10x, 25x, just like Reezy. So make sure to download Viral View, get signed up, follow those 10 steps. Again, they work. 21x. just in creator connections from $40 to $900. We got Reezy, $200 to $5,000. We've got Michael with just clicking the creator connections automations. He doesn't even upload videos anymore. He's making $500 per day just from his existing videos. And if you want a bunch of free products like this, well, it works. And then right here, this is another case study where we took an account that was using viral view, an account that wasn't, and it's 3.5x difference, making $1,800 more with 1,000 less videos. So buy your time back, make more money. And I'm excited for you guys to follow those 10 tips to 10x your commissions. Anyways, if you guys have success following those tips, let me know down in the comments. I'm excited to see the results. And I know that they work because they've worked for me and they've worked for hundreds of people just like you. So make sure to like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.